Every product embarks on a journey from conception to retirement. This journey, often referred to as the product lifecycle, is an enthralling narrative of how a product evolves, matures, and eventually fades into obsolescence. Understanding this life cycle is akin to having a compass in the bewildering yet exciting wilderness of product management. It provides a structured framework, enabling a product manager, PM, to make informed decisions at every juncture. Let's unravel the phases of the product life cycle and explore the quintessence of managing a product through these pivotal stages. The birth of a product is in the spark of an idea. It's where creativity meets a recognized market need or an unmet desire. During this phase, brainstorming, market research, and customer interviews are your best companions. As a PM, fostering a culture of open ideation where every voice is heard and every idea valued can lead to the birth of groundbreaking products. Once the idea is crystallized, it's time to roll up the sleeves and delve into the creation. This phase is a bustling hive of activity with cross-functional teams working in unison to transform the idea into a tangible product. A PM plays a pivotal role in ensuring the vision stays intact, the timelines are met, and the resources are optimally utilized. The product launch is the moment of truth. It's when the curtain rises and the product steps into the spotlight. A meticulously planned launch can catapult a product into the market with a bang. Understanding the market dynamics, crafting a compelling narrative, and ensuring a seamless user experience are the keys to a successful launch. Post-launch, the focus shifts to scaling and expanding the product's market reach. It's about amplifying the user base, enhancing the product features, and exploring new markets. The data gathered from user interactions is gold, helping in refining the product strategy and making data-driven decisions to spur growth. As the product reaches maturity, the growth may plateau, but the challenge doesn't end. It's about sustaining the momentum, keeping the product relevant amidst evolving market trends, and ensuring a steady revenue stream. Innovations, enhancements, and community engagement are crucial during this phase to keep the product vibrant. Every product has a sunset. Recognizing the signs of decline and planning for a graceful retirement is a hallmark of prudent product management. It's about ensuring a smooth transition for users and learning from the journey to imbibe the insights into future endeavors. Interspersed throughout these phases are feedback loops. They are the nerves of the product lifecycle, conveying the user's pulse and helping in making informed adjustments to the product strategy. The product lifecycle is not just a theoretical framework. It's a lived experience of a product. As a PM, you are the custodian of this journey, ensuring each phase is navigated with foresight, agility, and a profound understanding of the market and user needs. It's about celebrating the highs, learning from the lows, and always keeping the user at the heart of the journey. The ensuing chapters will delve deeper into the intricacies of managing a product through these phases, providing you with the tools, techniques, and insights to excel in your endeavor. As you traverse through the life cycle of your product, may each phase be a stepping stone,